Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to remove recovery phone number on Gmail. So let's get started. Let's open it. Now see, this is the home page of your Gmail account, and you should have to tap on your profile picture, which is available on the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on manage your Google account, which is available on the upper bottom of your screen. Now tap on security and sign in, and scroll down below, then you will see the option of recovery phone. So tap on it. Now verify it using your screen lock, face lock, fingerprint or anything. Then you can see the option of PIN, which is available on the right side of your screen, so tap on it. Then confirm it, either you want to remove your number or not. If you want to remove your number, you should have to tap on your remove number, then your number will be permanently removed from Gmail, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.